Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. I am sharing another set of Christmas cards today because, as you know, this week is my sharing all kinds of Christmas cards every single weekday. So here we go. This batch of 10, I used 3 different paper collections. So that is the deal this week, and I did some combinations. This is a Cartabella collection. And I chose most of the cards to be square and then do some layering. So I added a doily, sprayed it with some gold spray, added some stickers. This is a chipboard piece that I stickled, and we did some cut aparts here, bread, dimensional sticker, and here I did some die cutting. So I matted the page and then chose a die cut that leaves some room for your journaling or your well wishes. In this case, I stickled it. The advantage of using a relatively small label die is for you to have an excuse to keep your message short. So just say, for instance, season's greetings or Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, love so and so. Because there always are some people, some friends, relations that you do want to send a card but don't necessarily have long messages to write to. So this helps you facilitate that. So there's a tip for you, and there's the back. So lovely vintage like paper. And here is another one of that Cartabella set. This time it opens upward instead of like that. I added some die cutting again here as well, and this is a dimensional sticker. This is in the paper actually, and 2 corner stickers. Here I did some die cutting again too, with stickers around the edges, and this is a border sticker that I used in the middle. I love those colors, and this is the back. So same set of paper but a totally different look. And a third of this Cartabella batch is this one, again with some layering here, some sentiments. I did some stamping here, and the inside I layered some journaling spots, sticker piece here, and then the back. So this is the brownish, reddish, white and vintage styled Cartabella paper. The next set is also pretty vintage, but this time it is a different collection, and it is by Studio Light, and the collection is called Vintage, and it comes with its own set of die cuts, punch outs, and the lot, and so on, as is usual for Studio Light collections. I also did some die cutting here, a Christmas doily, did some layering, and well, this is a sort of a Christmas gift theme. Here is the inside, some room to write a message, and then the back. So this is the first, and there's 5 of this collection. So same collection but in blue tones, and I highlighted the blue here with a little stamp cut apart, and then did some layering again, including these here, and I tied my own little bow there, and the inside again with some blue tones, and I lifted a cut apart here, some dimensional tape, and the back. So lovely, lovely vintage colors here. Again the vintage set, red again this time. Layering, this is a lovely sticker, tag sticker from some other collection. I added several poinsettias in all of the cards here, and these are by I Am Roses. Inside, and then the back. This one I like as well, more of a brown color theme. The rose is in the pattern of the paper, the rest I added. And this here I added some stickles all around here, and then some glossy accent, or rather this is Nouveau, I guess, Nouveau crystal drops in the middle there, and then did some layering and some dimensional taping there with the Studio Light cut aparts. The inside, again making use of all of the punch outs, and added a bit of stickles here and there, and the back. And then the last of this batch of 5, again, more of the blue accenting here. I used a Merry Christmas punch out. And here is the I Am Roses poinsettia again. I added some enamel dots here. Love those colors. Thought they fit right in. The Christmas doily here. And a border punch out by Craft. And here I did some inking first. Some blue inking with Distress Stain by Tim Holtz. And then sprayed it with some Distress Mica spray, I guess it's called. With a silver glow there. And then I tore this design paper purposefully, so curled it a bit and inked it a bit with some blue ink, just for some special effect. And then here, the inside, I again used a punch out here, lifted it with some dimensional tape. And this is the back, a lovely polka dot. So this makes 8 in total, and it is a batch of 10. So the last 2, it is the same batch because it's one person who commissioned all of these cards, and they chose a different paper collection, so a third paper collection. And this is Winterbird by Tilda, which is a completely different paper collection. I have made a project before with this paper line, which will give you perhaps more of a taste of this paper. And it is my never-ending folio album, which you see right here. And well, it's a lovely teal colored with the mint green paper. So I did a different style of card here. I used a different base card, so more of a mint green instead of all of the craft colored cards here. And I did some really slick layering, so straight corners here, no roundings, and sort of almost an abstract layering here. Did add a poinsettia because hey, it is Christmas, and I added a ribbon that said Christmas as well. And this is actually part of one of the other paper lines, but it says Happy Holidays, and I love the color combination there. Did some stamping here, season's greetings in Dutch, so Goede Feestdagen. And yeah, this is the inside. Here I used a sort of a punch out sheet that I bought. What I did here also is make the blue tones more of a teal by coloring it with some Tim Holtz Distress markers, so it would fit the color theme better. And then this is the back. So that is the first card with this paper line. And then the second card, also the Winterbird collection. This is one of the tags that comes with that collection. I added a bow here, and I added some decorations here as well. And some layering. Inside I added a piece of design paper here to write the message. Here I used some Nouveau crystal drops again. They are called jewel drops, and they dry transparently. Looks great, I think, especially with the soft pink and then the pink here. Now mind you, they will take a long time to dry. I left them at least 36 hours because these droplets are pretty thick, so they need to dry through and through. So don't touch them too soon because you will ruin it, and I can tell you that from experience. This is the back. So there you go. Alright guys, so this is my batch of 10 Christmas cards for today, using 3 different paper collections and hopefully giving you some ideas to make your own cards. So layer a lot, use different embellishments and decorations, and even cut your own strips of straight paper there, straight corners, and layer those with some dimensional tape. So lots of opportunity there for you, I hope, to come up with your own designs. So thank you for watching. I will see you for the next batch. Bye bye.